Sheesh, boys, well, we have barra after barra after barra. So, of course, I'm going to assume that this is an XR6 turbo. Holy skid bickies on the back, boys. Here we bloody go. Massive front mount intercooler down there as well. Another barra, old Kermit green. Holy, little Garrett there as well. Hopefully, this one sends it. Looks like he's got some stocky rims on there, so hopefully he's got some tyres to destroy. And here we have an F6 Falcon. Big boy turbo down there. Massive skid bickies on the back. Wowzers. This thing should absolutely fry some tyres tonight. Fingers crossed. Here we go. Muck around and find out. And we have another one of 999's customer cars, RS3. I think this one is a full IROS / JDY package, but this thing is bloody quick, tuned by Danny. So hopefully we get to see this thing rip and tear at this next event, which is the roll racing coming right up. And we have one of the OG R33 Skylines from Roll Racing Kong, running a full Haltech package, and this thing is absolutely clean as a whistle. Holy, exposed. Wowzers. Wowzers. And it looks like most likely it's running nitrous with a blast plate on the front facing plenum there. Woo. And we have another really fast Euro here, S3 with an RS3 front bar on it, as you can see. This thing has just been finished by Galliano. Just shy of 750 horsepower, this thing. Absolute rocket, hopefully. I haven't actually seen this out since it's been built. He was a customer way back in the day for a cheeky Haldex service, so lovely to see. But carbon fiber bits and pieces everywhere. Carbon fiber bonnet, part of the front guard surround for the air guides, side skirts. The rear wheels are also carbon fiber as well, so this thing should rip and tear and be super lightweight. And of course, Ebony's RSQ3 is here, ready to rock and roll at this next event, which is roll racing. You can hear in the background, just a touch over 900 horsepower, this thing. And holy, she is ready to rip and tear. We did have to do a quick fix for her. The under tray, which you can see over there, was just slightly coming off. So yeah, bloody good, boys, bloody good. Wowzers, boys, this just caught my eye. Holy, an 808 wagon. Wowee, RS3 conversion on the front. Ooh, holy. This is absolutely incredible. Wow. Yeah, don't see many of these rocking around Australia, but obviously heaps in New Zealand. Looks like it's got an intercooler there, so obviously, you know, your boys turboed it. But wow. The OG 808 wagon. Wowzers. Boys, well, I hope you are enjoying this content so far from QPG Thrash Night. We have multiple events here. We've got some no prep drag racing, some family cruise sessions. You can hear the cars almost lining up in the background. We've got some thrash sessions, and of course, you know we're here for that roll racing action later on tonight. But once again, massive thank you to all of our channel sponsors linked below. Make sure you get on their websites, get on their social media accounts, give them a follow, give them a couple of likes, because without them, we could not get to any of these events. Oh yeah, boys, here we go. We're just getting bloody started. But once again, massive shout out to all of those channel sponsors. And back to the regular scheduled program. Pretty even, pretty even.
Yeah, that was just 198 on the line.
Wow. Wow. Here we go, boys. GTR R35. So that was incredible, boys. Just jumped in Adam's RS3 IROS, pretty much a full IROS catalogue in terms of everything else. Running a Zona turbo. I think he's roughly around that 900 horsepower mark tonight, but just absolutely dialed in this thing. And just puts you in your seat and really makes me miss Lenny's car. So hopefully the old BMW gets just as fast as the old RS3. Holy heck. Well done. Holy heck! Bro, that wasn't a tree.
Yeah, it worked alright.
Holy shit! Well done. So this is what we're just in, lads. The RX3. Holy. Big skinny boy drag boys on the front and big fat sticky boys. Roughly about 8 psi on the back, but this is absolutely crazy. Shout out to QPG Racing once again. Sammy, you are the man, taking us for a lap. But wow. Boys, and we've got the dream car here, the Audi R8. Holy, running some BC Forge racing, but this thing absolutely clean as a whistle. Holy, sheesh, flush fitment. Holy heck, absolutely clean as a whistle. Maybe On Top Detailing does this cleaning. And then we have its baby brother, the TTRS facelift, of course, Mark III. This thing's absolutely crispy clean as well. So maybe On Top Detailing does the cleaning, but absolutely clean. Sheesh. Holy. Full carbon skirts, carbon rear diffuser, front canards. Holy. More bed. Sheesh. The old Betty, running the old Workmeisters. Holy. Series 6, Series 7, not bad, boys. Not bad at all. Clean as a whistle. Whew. Sheesh. 323 Familiar. Holy. Used to have one of these back in Aotearoa, boys. Holy. This one's a GDR though, but I used to have a GDX. But this thing's absolutely clean as a whistle. He's even got the rarest part of the car, which is these little buttons. They disappear on all the 323 Mazdas. Absolutely clean as a whistle. We've got a Pandem R33 coupe wide body. Ooh. Absolutely clean as a whistle. Not a big fan of the old R33s, but the wide body kits on these, holy sheesh. Oh, little 32 GDST by the looks of it. Factory turbo 5-stud. Paint is absolutely clean. Ooh. Another dream car, boys. Another dream car. Running the old VS Sassoons. Crispy. And we have Jeremy's, or BIGBOI. We have his older brother, the old GR Corolla. Fully stocked this one. Also got the mud flaps, but maybe they come factory. But here is Jeremy, or Mabby, the GR Yaris. We actually did a full driveline service on this thing yesterday. It's not in the video, of course, but yeah, transfer case, rear differential and gearbox. So yeah, actually it was quite fun. And of course we've got the OG Zachy boy, old Ramene, is out and about today. Stage 3, this big boy, massive wang from old Qantas. Holy, and of course serviced by your boy RJ Motorsport. How bloody good. RPF ones, wow. Whole bed, good size. Another 323 my guy. Holy. Rare as they come. Jeez boys, the old RB26. Maybe stroked out this thing, but holy, big fat boy sticky by PSRs on the back. Nitto stroker by the look of it. Copied the rate with the old headlight duct, but this thing is crispy. Holy, that is savage, absolutely savage. And a little ratchet shifter in there as well. Awesome, running that one L-Tech. Jeez, we've got that crispy Evo over here, boys. Holy, TE37 SLs. Holy. Elite Pro tuning by the look of it. But holy. Massive turbo sliding down under the manifold there. Holy. That is clean. Jeez, clean as a whistle RS3 here, boys. Holy. Don't know who owns this, but sheesh, clean as. And of course, boys, we have Lenny's G81 M3 CS spec. Holy, clean as a whistle. Absolutely spectacular. No, boys, absolutely spectacular. Mode spaces for the win. Clean as fitment. Holy. More bed. And we have a R35 GTR running the old Mickey T's. Bead-lockers. Holy. Carbon boot. Carbon hood. Holy. Old Lenny reckons this is about 1500 horsepower when it's turned up. So very, very quick GTR.